Imagine that Sarah, a software developer at Wired Brain Coffee, just came to your desk. She says, "We have implemented the logic to play an uploaded video in the UWP app by accessing the video via its URL. Of course, you know already that you can access a video via its URL. But anyway, you ask her how she implemented it, and she starts explaining. As you know, the Cloud Blob class has the properties name and URI, and that URI property contains the URL to the blob. In the UWP application, a Cloud Blob instance is wrapped with a Coffee Video View model. That Coffee Video View model exposes the name property of the Cloud Blob instance to the user interface via its own blob name property. It also exposes the URI property via its own blob URI property. In the user interface, which is in this case the Coffee Video View, we have text boxes that display the values of the blob name and the blob URI property of the view model. This is what you already know. Now Sarah tells you that they have created in addition a media element in the Coffee Video View. The source property of this media element is also bound to the blob URI property of the Coffee Video View model. And this is already enough so that the video plays in the application. Now you know actually what was done and you say to Sarah, "Please show me the code." So let's switch to Visual Studio. Here I've opened the Wired Brain Coffee solution. Let's open up the Coffee Video View model. As you can see, this view model has here a Cloud Blob field, which is of type Cloud Blob. Let's scroll down a bit to the constructor, and you can see that the field is initialized here with the Cloud Blob constructor parameter. When I scroll down further, you can see the two properties blob name and blob URI that expose the name property and the URI property of the Cloud Blob instance. Now let's open up the Coffee Video View that uses this Coffee Video View model. Here you can see the two text boxes that display the values of the blob name property and of the blob URI property. Now let's scroll down, and here at the bottom you can see the media element that is bound to the blob URI property of the Coffee Video View model. Now let's run the application to see in action what Sarah has implemented. I select here a video, and you can see that the media element displays that video. Let's select the skateboarder MP4 file, and you can see the skateboarder is displayed. Now I can click on the play button in that media element, and then the video starts playing. So this is what Sarah has implemented. In addition, she has added this video actions button here that has the two actions download video and delete video. Now let's implement these two features, and let's start with the download video functionality.